last week, last week I didn't have, well, last weekend, I didn't have a YouTube video because the video was too long and it took me over a week to paint it. But the squishy I made in that one, because I did a squishy thing, was this one. And yeah, a panda dance. And the one you see in the corner is what it was before, and a little video on how on some of the stuff I did. But yeah, and so today I'm going to be painting a squishy thingy bobber again. And yeah, so it's gonna be like an elephant and a popcorn together, like an oversized popcorn. Some people think that it is weird and creepy or something, but I like it. Yeah, I don't know why, but I do. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna start gluing it, and yeah. Bye.